Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo, Celso. Ang wish ko ay sana ay magpatuloy ang iyong malusog na kalusugan and kung ano man yung panalangin mo at hinahangad ng puso mo ay sana ito'y matupad. And isa sa mga request mo ngayong birthday mo is for me to sing my latest single, Should I Stay? Okay? Ito yung chorus part. Should I stay and work things out? Or let's go without a doubt? When hanging on and keeping a heart that's slowly bleeding, should I stay and wait it out? I wish you'd tell me what this is about. Don't keep me second guessing. Should I stay or let's go? Again, happy birthday!